everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video where we will be doing an extreme clean with me. So if you want to get some motivation and clean with me, please keep watching. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time you've clicked on seen any of my videos, then welcome. My name is Emma, I am a mummy of two, and here on my channel you will find lots of different content. I do like to post cleaning and motivating videos, and we also pop up vlogs, lifestyle, shopping hauls, so lots of different content, and I really hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, it really does help support my channel, and let's get into the cleaning. Today we're specifically going to be tackling my upstairs. I've shown my son's bedroom and our master bedroom, but I haven't really ever shown our bathroom and my daughter's room. The main reason for that, long story short, we were looking to move into a bigger property, but we're actually going to be extending our house. So there's lots of decorating needed, but we're not going to be decorating anything at the moment until we get the plans for our extension, because it's literally pointless. There's going to be walls knocked down, etc. So here I'm just giving you a little look around my upstairs. So please just bear in mind our bathroom is extremely old and in desperate need of remodeling, but that room will be completely redone, and the same with my daughter's bedroom.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.
The first bedroom that you see me in is our master bedroom. So it was bed change day today. So that was the first job, and then I'm just dusting everything. I'm dusting over our shutters, which are in the window. They need doing quite a few times a week because they just attract the dust with the sun shining in. I'm just giving everything a wipe down with my Zoflora, all my drawer fronts and the handles, same with the doors. It just smells lovely and it's antibacterial, so it just sanitizes everything. And then it's just on to a good hoover in here.
Be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder.
we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
And this area here is our landing, so it's not particularly very big, and this is where obviously the bathrooms, no, I've only got one. This is where the bathroom and the bedrooms lead off of. So if we extend, where you see that window, we will have a doorway just at the top of the stairs there, because our extension will be on the side of the house. So here in the landing, I'm just giving everything a good dust over. We're actually replacing our staircase. That video will be coming when it's finished. I'm recording the whole process. So we don't actually have this handrail and spindles anymore. My husband's ripped that out, so it does look lovely now. But yeah, so there's so much dust everywhere all over my house. It's just settling. So I'm just giving that a good hoover and a dust before moving into my son's room.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
And now we're in my son's bedroom, Ollie. He is 4, he will be 5 in September. And we actually revamped this bedroom going back maybe 2 months ago. I will link that video here. So we didn't do anything major to it. It was already plastered and we already had the furniture, but I just didn't like the colour of the walls. So we redid it slightly just with materials that we had. It was a bit of a lockdown project and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So his room, because it is super, super tiny, it's really easy to keep on top of. He can't have a whole heap of toys in here. That's why my front room looks like a toy room. So in here it's just a case of dusting, making the bed and giving it a hoover and just tidying up what little toys he does have.
Cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. It's dumb, I still check my phone, 'cause I can't move on. Whoa. Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Why did she go?
my daughter's bedroom. Darcy, she is 8. She was 8 in May. So her bedroom is lovely. It's kind of like a pink room of dreams. I do love it, but it was decorated when she was 3. So although I love it, she is due it to be redone and just slightly a little bit more grown up. She's kind of said she wants a dressing table. But as you'll see with this bedroom, those double doors, the white double doors that you can see there on the wall that I'm just tidying, they are her built-in wardrobes, and she doesn't have, other than her bookshelf, she doesn't have anywhere for storage. So she's got this giant Barbie house that's at the end of her bed, which takes up a lot of room, but she's got nowhere to have a dressing table. So what we are thinking, because of the shape of this room, we're thinking when we do the extension that we will move Darcy into the extension, because the shape of that room is just better and we can design it specifically around what she needs. And then I will probably move Ollie into this room, obviously redecorate it into a boy's bedroom, and then we'll have his little room as just a spare bedroom. But yeah, so you'll see me here just tidying up all of her toys. She's got a couple of shelves of LOL dolls that are forever being knocked off, but I just wanted to give the shelving a bit of a dust and a hoover behind. So yeah, and I'm finding lots of hidden things here, but and then we're now moving into our bathroom. So again, this room is very, very tiny. We've got a bath in here, and this was decorated when I was pregnant for Darcy. So I think we did it the year before. So this bathroom is 9 years old. So although it's not the worst thing ever, it does need to be remodeled, and I would just like to get rid of that big unit you see me cleaning, just so we've got a little bit more space, because although it looks like it's all compact, it actually doesn't really hold anything, so it is a little bit pointless really. But yeah, when we do our extension, what we'll plan on doing is knocking that wall through that you see the mirror on, and the bathroom will be longer. So I'm wanting a bath with a separate shower, whereas at the moment we've just got an electric shower which is over our bath, because that's all we can fit in this bathroom. So I'm just giving it a good tidy over. I'm just wiping all the surfaces, just going through all the bottles and things that are on the countertop there, because there's no storage anywhere, it has to stay out. So I do like to just go through it and give everything a dust over, and then just clean and mop the floor, and then this room's done as well. And that's it for my cleaning video today, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some motivation to tackle those jobs around the house. I do have a lot more cleaning videos in the pipeline. I am due to clean my cooker and my fridge, and obviously my downstairs needs cleaning pretty much every day, so keep an eye out for those videos. As I said at the start, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up before you leave. It really does help support my channel, and if you're not already, I really hope you'll consider subscribing to our channel. We'd love to have you as part of our YouTube family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.